By now, you've heard about our Adventure Series joints and how they are performing in the off-road community. And if you haven't, you can check out our semi-spherical joint comparison on our YouTube channel that compares our Adventure Series joint to the common competitors in the off-road community. What we want to show you is the quality control measures that we put into each and every Adventure Series joint assembly. Outside of your basic, cross-sectioning, durometer testing, your basic QA measures, each and every Adventure Series joint is checked for precision fitment before they are assembled. Let's go check out and see what Joseph's going to do. We've got Mr. Joseph Pagan. Joe's been with us a long time. How long have you been with us, Joe? Like 10 years, 12 years?
8 years now.
Okay, whatever. It feels like over a decade with you. But some of the quality control procedures that we put into the Adventure Series joints is something the off-road community's never ever seen before. Starting with even the sleeves, they're all micro polished, nitride coated to make sure you have the longest longevity of any sleeve you've ever put in your vehicle. Joe's going to demonstrate the Go No Go Gauge procedure for checking the bores of these things. This is a tolerance that is rarely ever seen in the off-road community. With the Vermont gauge precision gauges that we use, we are validating these bores are accurate within 0.00075 of an inch. Some of the tightest tolerancing you've ever seen in the off-road community. Joe, you want to show them how you actually determine if these parts are good or bad with the simple Go No Go gauges?
So this small side here is a no-go side, and this big side is the go side. And I generally start with the go side. If it goes in, makes a little popping noise, I know it's good. So I'll check all of them. And I start to go to the no-go side, and if it goes in, that's bad. Check the rest of them. It's another bad one.
Each and every Adventure Series joint center undergoes this same exact procedure before being assembled. 100% inspection, whether it be Joe or another assembler, they are all getting inspected the same way, ensuring you have the highest quality product that you can put into your vehicle.